Let's fill out the Iowa ATV bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Let's walk through what you'll need to complete an ATV bill of sale in this state. First, you'll need a completed bill of sale, and it must be notarized, so plan ahead and have that taken care of before you finalize the transaction. For the title, you'll need the certificate of title with the assignment portion properly completed. The previous owner must sign the title, and the seller should print their name on the printed name of seller line on the back of the title. Each buyer or transferee must also sign and date in ink. If there is no lien holder on the vehicle, you'll need to check the None box to confirm that. Be sure to include the purchase date and the sale price. The sale price matters here because the tax is calculated at 5% of the purchase price. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.